How can you increase engagement while teaching classes or holding virtual workshops on Zoom? Today I'm going to talk about polls and how you can use them in your next online presentation. First, let me show you how to set up the polls. The first thing you need to do is enable polling in your Zoom settings. And you can only use polling with a paid Zoom account. Once you log into your Zoom account, go to Settings. And you'll scroll about halfway down the page to find polling. Here it is. Make sure it is checked. Once you open up a new meeting, it will show up at the bottom of your screen. Let me show you that right now. So I'm going to schedule a new meeting. As you can see, I've done this a couple of times. I'm going to create another test meeting for polls and start the meeting. And you can see right here at the bottom, there's a new polling icon. Once you click that button, you have the chance to add your question. And I'm going to do that right now. I'll add my question here. What is holding you back from creating video? So that was the title of my poll. I'll just make that the question. And you can have a single choice or multiple choice options. You also have the chance to check this box so your participants can remain anonymous when they answer your questions. What is holding you back from creating video? Lack of time, fear of technology, unsure about equipment, too many ideas, worried about video topics, or something else. I will hit save, and here's what the poll will look like. And what I can do is I can launch this poll, and while no one is in my Zoom room other than me, I'm the only one who can see this, they'll see the poll on their screen and they'll be able to answer. I can also set a time. So maybe I'm giving a test or having some sort of timed response. I can end this poll after a certain amount of time, and then I can also share the results with people who are in my Zoom room. The other thing I wanted to show you is this, is how you can create a template for your polls so you don't have to type up the same questions that you use over and over again for different meetings. So I'll go to meetings, and let's say with this last session, I created, as you can see, this question: what is holding you back from creating video? I can save this as a meeting template. I won't do it right now because I've already done that. But once you do that, the next time you create a new meeting, you go to Meeting Templates, use this template, and then create your next meeting. So you'll name it something different. And then you have a meeting with those poll questions that we already created saved into this meeting. That way you don't have to recreate all of those poll questions every time you create a new meeting. If you're still trying to increase engagement on your videos or your virtual events, watch this next.